Welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg, and this is a 69 Charger. It's got a 440 under the hood, and it is a beautiful restoration. I'm gonna love showing you this car. You know what? The paint work on it is phenomenal. It is straight as an arrow. The chrome is beautiful. Now, the chrome on that front bumper looks like it may be original to the car. The grille is looking sweet. We got great looking body lines on the car. It is just beautiful. Now the body man on this car has got thousands of hours getting this baby straight. All these body lines looking great. We got great looking Magnum 500s on this thing. We got great looking stainless steel. We got good looking vinyl here. Love this Mopar vinyl. Looking sweet. Look at the body line here on the door. Nice and straight, nice and flush. Door operates great. The door lips here looking good. Latch was out when they did the restoration. That tells you they got a lot of care in the restoration. We got new rubber here, new door panel, great looking chrome here. Armrest looks good. Door jamb's nice and clean. Beautiful. Center console's looking sweet with that automatic shifter in there. Great looking upholstery on the bucket seats. We've got 3 seat belts back there in the back seat. The upholstery on the back seat's looking good. Package tray, trim around the back window, headliner's tight, shoulder belts. We've got great looking gauges there. The faces of the gauges look good. Lenses look good. The dash itself's in beautiful shape. That center console's looking sweet. Look at all that chrome. She is one beauty. Look down that big, long quarter panel. Love the NASCAR style fuel fill on these Chargers too. Isn't that sweet? Then the tail stripe. Man, the tail stripe on these cars really make it. Man, that looks sweet. Then they've blacked out the tail panel. Then the lenses on the tail lights looking great. The trim on the lenses look good. The chrome on the rear bumper, again, that looks like it's an original bumper, and the chrome is just in beautiful shape. Now I got 3 keys here. What do you think my chances of getting it right is? I'm gonna try this one. Hey, look at that, first try. Inside the trunk here, we've got the jack, the lug wrench, spare tire. We got good looking paint on the trunk floor. We got good looking paint on the wheel wells, back sides of the quarters. The gutter system here around the trunk opening. Now on these Chargers, all these Mopars, you want to feel up and around here on the bottom side. Make sure that's all good. That's all feeling nice. All of this covering here for the tail lights. All this is nice and neat. The lips here on the deck lid look good. Now look down the side of this big long beauty. Can you imagine the amount of hours the body man had in that beauty making that thing straight? I'll tell you what, this is one work of art right here. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we don't do any consignment whatsoever. That means we own this car. Right now we've got a little over 230 cars in stock, and we own every one of those cars. So that means we spent some time and checked out the car before we bought it. Then when they get here to the shop, we inspect them so we can answer any questions you have about the car. So call Tom at 248-974-9513. Tom can answer any question you may have about this car. Now I've got about 35 years of experience in the muscle car industry, and I'm going to put those years to work for you, helping you pick out your dream car. right, 69 Charger time. I don't know if it gets any better than this, guys. Red Charger, 1969. Big horsepower under the hood. Driving out awesome. Get this baby up on the track. Run some NASCAR. This thing is sweet, guys. Beautiful restoration on this car. Sounding awesome, driving great. And at Vanguard, we can ship this car anywhere in the world. You guys just call us anytime. Tom answers his phone 7 days a week and practically 24 hours a day. So you just give him a call anytime. He will let you know just how easy it is to park this dream in your driveway, no matter where you live in the world. Now, if you want some help with financing, he can help you out with that too. So just give him a call. He'll hook you up with one of the bankers. Takes about 15 minutes on the phone. You guys will get all the paperwork done. No problem whatsoever. They'll take care of everything for you. Now look down here on the dash. You can see all the gauges are working. The speedo's working. The fuel gauge is working. Temp gauge, oil pressure, and looks like the alternator gauge. It does have the stock radio in it. Even the horn's working. Center console's looking good. It is an automatic car. Things steering good. Brakes feel good. I mean, just an amazing ride, guys. She's a red 69 Charger. Got big horsepower under the hood. Awesome exhaust. I mean, listen to this baby. Nothing sounds like a big block. Just sounds awesome. I mean, look at this. Driving with one hand, as a matter of fact, driving with one finger, nice and smooth. She's an amazing ride. Now, at Vanguard Motor Sales, we are very, very close to the airport, and we sell about 95% of our cars sight unseen, but we do love it when our customers come visit. So please, if you have the time, come on out and visit. Right now, we have a little over 200 cars in stock, and we'd love to have you come out and visit. We're only 20 minutes from the airport. We're open on Saturdays if you'd like to come out, so please come on out. We're gonna do something nobody else in the industry does right now. We're gonna put this car up in the air so you can check out the underside, so stick with us right now. All right, we're underneath this 69 Charger now, and it is pretty under here. You can see it's got a new tank, new exhaust. You can see the floorboards have had some work done. It looks like the drop downs here, the trunk extensions are new. Trunk floor looks good, frame looks great. It's got primer on the bottom side. Spring packs look like they're rebuilt. Shocks look like they're new. We got right around a 273 gear in here. Looks like it is an open rear end. Looks like it's got new brake lines, new brake drums, and the guys will pull the brakes apart, make sure they're in good working order. Looks like we've got a 489 case here. And like I said, it is an open rear end. It looks like it's got stock appearing mufflers. You can see the floorboards are all painted with primer under here, just like it would have been from the factory, looking sweet. Parking brake cable. We've got, looks like a brand new brake line running front to back. Looks like we got a brand new fuel line running front to back. Crossover in the exhaust. 727 trans. This is not numbers matching, but it is correct for the car. Frame up here is nice and solid, looking good. You always got to look at these cross members on these Chargers. The floorboards look great. They are beautiful up here. Now we do have drum brakes up front here too, and they're looking good. The guys will pull those all apart, make sure they're in good working order. Looks like I got a lot of new steering components here also. And again, the guys will check those all out. All the bushings look good here also on the sway bar. All the paint work right down to the bottom edge of the front nose here is looking sweet. Beautiful car underneath. I tell you what, you might want to invest in some mirrors so you can show off the bottom side of your car. It's got chrome Magnum 500s on it, and it looks like two 1570 15s up front. And look at those wheel wells. Look how nice and clean those babies are. All the nuts, the bolts, everything looking sweet. All the rubbers, the closeouts, everything nicely clean. Always check out the back sides of the front fenders. All I feel is nice smooth metal back there. Look at the rocker, look at the pinch weld. Beautiful. Look at those floorboards. Look how nice and clean they are. Torque boxes also nice and clean, nice and solid. Tires in the back. We got more rubber here where the horsepower is meeting the road. 275 60/15s out back. And again, great looking chrome here. And look at those wheel wells. Look how nice and clean they are. You always want to feel this lip too. Make sure that's in good, nice working order. Nice and smooth there. All I feel is nice clean metal there. Just be careful, that edge is sharp. Let's get under the hood. All right, under the hood here, we've got a 73 model 440, which is very cool. It's got a Carter 4-barrel carburetor on it. Everything under here is neat as a pin. You can see the paintwork on the motor looks good. They've actually painted the exhaust manifolds to look like bare metal. Firewall's nicely painted. All the wiring's nice and neat. The inner fenders here are nicely painted. Bottom side of the hood's nicely painted. You can see the power booster, so it does have power brakes. All the wiring looks like it's brand new. It does have power steering. The radiator looks like it's brand new. All the paint work here in the core support area, everything looks nice and neat. I mean, this is an award-winning car right here, guys. Take this to any car show and you are gonna take home the ribbons, man. This thing is sweet. She's a 69, she's a Charger. It's got a 440 under the hood and a 4-barrel, guys. Call us, 248-974-9513, and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your driveway.